as what we were learning. You remember?
Yes.
What?
Forest.
Forest, isn't it? We were talking about 5 kinds of forest. Yes. Have you learned the spellings of that?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have your rough book in front?
Ma'am.
Open it. Yeah. So children, first of all, you tell me what are the names of the 5 forests?
Corny forest. Tidal forest.
It is coniferous. What is it? Coniferous.
Coniferous forest. Deciduous forest.
Yes.
Coniferous forest.
Yes, forest.
Evergreen forest. Tidal forest.
Tidal forest, isn't it? Yes. Yes. So let me take your dictation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So first, 1 second. Okay, few members are joining right now. Okay. So first word, coniferous forest. Write in your rough book, coniferous forest. Coniferous forest what?
Finish, ma'am. Yes. Finish, ma'am. Next.
Completed? Tidal forest. Tidal forest.
Finish, ma'am.
Deciduous forest. Deciduous forest. Think about the spelling. There is a confusion in the last few letters. So please be sure while you're writing.
Ma'am, what was the third one?
Deciduous forest.
Finish.
Ameya, writing. Thorny and shrub forest. Scrub forest.
Ma'am, can you say second one?
Tidal.
Ma'am, what did you tell fourth?
Write the spelling of thorny. That is enough.
Ma'am, fourth one. Ma'am,
Fourth one is thorny. The word is for thorny.
and third
So
one.
again, I will say first onwards, coniferous forest, tidal forest, deciduous forest, thorny, evergreen.
Ma'am, only Tony.
Yeah, only thorny.
Ma'am, I write food.
No problem.
And the last one.
Evergreen.
I'm finished. Finish. I'm finished.
Completed?
Yes. Yes.
Everyone.
Yes, ma'am. What we have to do?
It was a dictation.
What we have to write?
All the 5 forests. Okay. Those who have completed, just raise your hands. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Hands down. Hands down. Now, is there somebody to complete? Just raise a hand. To complete. Not completed, Abel?
One more.
Okay, fine, right. Sound.
And the third forest is which?
Deciduous forest.
You write all the 5 forests, that is it.
I finished.
Okay. Anyone else to complete? Prajwal, write first. Students.
Good morning, ma'am.
He only used to call, no? Is there somebody to complete now? Okay. So, Adinath, will you please read the first, the spelling of deciduous?
D-E-S.
Deciduous. Yes. Devananda.
D-E-C-I-D-U-O-U-S.
Deciduous. Isn't it, Adinath?
Ma'am, I joined late.
Now, fine. Now, Adinath, you read the next one. Evergreen.
Ma'am, where are you reading? Evergreen.
I have taken a dictation. EV, evergreen. Ever.
E-R. G-R-E-E-N.
Yeah.
Evergreen.
Yes. Now, which was the first one? Coniferous. Abel.
C.
Check your spellings, whatever you are writing, okay? Come on, Abel.
C. O. N. F. E.
Coniferous.
C. O. N. E.
Ma'am, can I say?
Dia, come on.
Can I?
D-O-N-I.
Dia.
T.
Coniferous.
R-O-U-S.
C.
O.
N. I. F. E. R. O. U. S.
Yes, correct. Thorny. Rohit.
T-H-O-R-N-Y and S-C-R-U-B-F-O-R-E-S-T.
Thorny scrub. Okay, Rohit, you just read that last one, the tidal one. Tidal. What's the spelling?
T-I-D-A-L.
Tidal.
Forest.
Now, children, how many got full 5? Arfan.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I didn't attend the dictation.
I understood. Adidev. Dia.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am,
Others, you lose, huh?
ma'am,
And Maria got. Yes, Leah.
ma'am,
Yes,
Varada,
yes.
I
Very
also
good.
didn't do the dictation.
Ah. So again, you have to write for the next class. Again, I will take the spellings test. Okay. The next class also. Huh. Now let's come to the points. Did we learn the features of the first one, coniferous forest?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now today we are going to what?
Deciduous forest is like an yellow color grass, yellow color leaf.
I didn't get you. What is it?
Ma'am, deciduous forest is like a yellow color
I
leaf.
will show you the pictures, and even the video is also there, but slowly I'll come to it. Okay.
Forest, right?
Now let us learn the features of the next two forests. That is, what is the next two in order? Yeah, evergreen and deciduous.
Ma'am, evergreen and deciduous forest.
Yes. Before that, who can read me the features of coniferous forest? Okay, Rohit, come on.
Ma'am,
Coniferous
Yes, I'll come to you.
are found in the regions such as Himalaya and Nilgiri.
Nilgiri. Nilgiri? What is Nilgiri? Nilgiri.
Mountains. These regions are quite cold. It's also snows on the Himalayas. Trees are pointed and narrow at the top and wider at the bottom.
Wider.
Wider at the bottom.
Then, Ivaros, come on, read once again.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rohit.
prevents the snow from remaining on their branches. The leaves are like needles. So they do not collect snow.
Okay. Now, Ivaros, once again.
See coniferous forest. See in mountains, range, Himalayas and Nilgiri. Climate is very cold. Snowfall. Trees pointed and narrow top, widest bottom. Leaves needle shaped because it won't collect snow.
I did not got coniferous. That's all.
Features.
Yes.
That we had wrote in the last class. Now I cannot, after the class, if there is time, I'll make you write, okay? Otherwise, at the end of the class, when everything completes, we will just discuss once again. At that time, you can write, okay? Huh?
Can you send
It's not there with me, child. You just copied, ask somebody, one of your friend to send it to you. Why? Because I have given it in the class straight into, okay? Okay, Arfan?
Can we say the features of coniferous forest?
No. Let us go to the evergreen forest. The features of evergreen forest. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I cannot see the board.
You cannot see the board?
Yeah.
Now?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Those who are feeling like my voice is breaking, it's the network issue. Either your side.
It's Adidev's.
That means
voice
that
is
is your
breaking.
side network issue. So please try to make the network proper. Okay. These evergreen forests. Okay. These, the first one itself we can. The places where you can find this evergreen forest are.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Your video is getting stuck.
1 second. Yes.
Which page?
Page in the rough book.
Islands.
What is it, Rohit?
Iceland.
Island. Yes, Andaman Nicobar Island. It's not Iceland. It is island. Adidev, it is your network issue that my video is breaking up. Okay. So please, in between, don't come and tell me that your video is not seen, your voice is breaking.
Northeastern India and on
Western, you just learned 2 places. That will be easy for you. Okay, Western Ghats. And you write? Yes? These are the places where you can find, as the other forest, coniferous forest is seen in the Himalayan ranges. These can be seen in these places. Okay, now you write climate.
Ma'am, what is the name of the 2 islands?
Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Many times I told you it's not Iceland, it is island. That S is silent, children, please.
Sorry, ma'am.
Huh. So what is the climate over there?
Ma'am, normal.
Hot and wet climate, wet regions. Children, before that, the next feature of the evergreen forest is, by the word, what did you understand by evergreen?
Full of green.
It will be green.
Mama,
Yes, Sadi.
ma'am, all time greenery.
All time greenery, isn't it? Like, even though it is shedding their leaves, it is putting down their leaves. Like, you can see the mango leaves are falling down, isn't it?
Ma'am, that's very dark.
Yes. Likewise, the mango leaves are falling down. The trees over here also shedding their leaves, and the new leaves will be sprouting out that same moment itself. Okay, so there is no season for that trees that it will shed their leaves completely. Okay, there is no season for those trees where their leaves are completely shedded out from their branches.
Yes.
Okay, always it will be green. There will be green leaves on its branches. Okay.
It's very dark only. Dark.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, in Moonar or Kodaikanal, that forest.
Huh.
Very dark.
Now, trees over there are, they
Shed. Like a shed.
they never shed their leaves completely. That's what. They never shed their leaves completely. Example, eucalyptus. Wood, eucalyptus and rosewood. Have you heard of eucalyptus?
Yes.
What are we using the eucalyptus for? For medicinal purpose, isn't it?
Yes.
Your painkillers like the axe oil and your tiger balm. Yes, all these, they are using the eucalyptus as your painkillers.
Injection.
The balms, yes, injections also.
Ma'am,
Yes.
yesterday I had gotten 3 injections.
Yesterday you got 3 injections.
Yes.
Why?
Because my cat, it scratched me on my hands.
Ah, the rabies injection. Yes, yes. Okay. Adinath, will you please, after writing, no, after the class, will you send those features of coniferous forest to Arfan? Okay.
Now we can send him group. We made a group in WhatsApp.
Okay, yeah, you can send. Those who have written that neatly, you can send that coniferous forest in the group. It's fine. He was not there in the last class, that's why. And as it is the notes which I'm giving in the class for you to learn, I'm not writing any notes separately with me. That's why I'm asking you. Okay, I'm making it to points from the text itself. I'm making it into points. The important points for you to learn. Okay, so I hope everybody completed Evergreen Forest.
No, ma'am.
Yes?
No, ma'am.
No.
The last line.
Okay, fast.
Ma'am, finish.
What is rosewood?
Rosewood is a wood that is made, that is taken to make the furnitures. Your furnitures at your home, like even the cot.
itself we can make furniture, right? Then what is the special of it?
Even the doors are also, even your bedroom doors are made of rosewood sometimes. Not all the doors I'm telling. This wood has also been used for that. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
The last word.
Right first. Ayil patiently telling something to his sister. Looks good. Ayil, what is your sister asking you, Ayil? Eh? What is she asking you?
She don't know to read next. She's asking me to much time.
Acha, okay. Okay, I hope everybody completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next is deciduous forest. What is it?
Deciduous forest.
What is the spelling, children? D-E?
DECIDUOUS.
Yes, deciduous forest, isn't it? This is seen in the peninsular region. What is it? What is a peninsula? We have learned. What is a peninsula? Forgot?
Peninsula. This is Peninsula, India.
Yes, the 3 sides of that. Very good, Adinath.
One side are land.
Yes, one side is connected to the mainland and the other 3 sides are surrounded by water. Very good, Adinath. Very good, Adinath and Adidev.
Southern part of India.
Yes, very good. So, that is a peninsula. That kind of area, you can see these deciduous forests. There, what will be the climate in our South India? What is the climate? Is it always the same or it changes? It changes. Yes, we have all kinds of climate. Yes.
Hot.
Ma'am, I can
Hot,
show you
cold.
picture.
Hot, cold.
Yes,
In the
Adinad, I will show the proper
Sir, number
pictures. Your
25.
textbook pictures are okay. That is it. Okay. Huh? So what is it? We have different climatic conditions
Hot
in
climate.
these
Hot
areas.
spring. Hot rainy spring.
Ma'am, what is food hills?
What is it?
Ma'am, what is food hills?
The bottom side. Okay. Now, let me complete.
Yes.
So these ranges, I mean, these areas, they have different kinds of climate. So even in the dry season, they need water. We have summers. Yes, it's dry here. Yes.
Yes.
Even though there is a few amount of water, still it is a dry season. So to keep up the alive for the trees, what is happening? The leaves of the trees are broad and flat. Why? Those trees which are growing in these areas need enough of sunlight and they need a lots of water. So to collect all these, they have broad sun leaves.
Broad
Okay?
leaves.
Like in the hill ranges, what we said, they have needle shaped
Needle-shaped leaves.
leaves. Why? Because they should not collect the
It
snow.
should not collect this there.
Here they need broad and flat leaves. Why? Because they have to
this.
collect the.
Ma'am, they will use their leaves in dry season.
What is it, Rohit?
Ma'am, they will use their leaves in dry season.
Yes, they will. Okay, so let's write. Climate is. First you write climate. Oh, before that you write here peninsula region.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what about future?
What?
Future.
Future. Features. It's not future. Deciduous forest. Where can you find it? Is seen in the peninsular region. Enough. That is enough for today. Why? Because now there is no much time, dear children. Only 2 more minutes. So we will not be able to complete the other features. Okay.
Yes.
Where can you find these deciduous forests?
Peninsula region.
Peninsula region of
Future.
future.
Future only.
Ma'am, southern part of, ma'am, peninsula parts of, please.
Yes. So that's why I said it's seen in the peninsular region. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that is it for today. Okay. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.